Trading is execution. The act of trading is executing trades. And if you're going to execute trades, you're going to have to be able to do them without errors.
Hi guys, welcome to MGFX official YouTube channel, and on this channel I'll be sharing my thoughts and trade biases on my two favorite assets, which are gold and AUDUSD, using dollar index as a correlation tool. So on this channel, I want you to know that this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and there is no guarantee that you will earn any money using the techniques and idea that will be mentioned in the subsequent videos. So this is not an investment or financial advice, and your level of success in attaining these results claimed in these videos will require hard work, experience and knowledge. So even if you want to trade alongside with me, I want you to invest money you cannot afford to lose. So that's it. So that's the purpose of this YouTube channel. So I will be posting my trade biases, market review, news, and a little talk on trading psychology, because I feel trading psychology is the most important aspect of trading. So many traders actually ignore that aspect of trading, and they are still struggling with getting it right. They are always asking the question, what am I doing wrong? And they are still not able to figure it out. And it's very simple. You just have to work on your trading psychology, your emotion, how you deal with losses and wins as well. So traders actually spend hours of the day looking at charts, and they spend no time upgrading their trading, their trading mentality, and that's very, very wrong. So if you want to actually move into that consistency realm, you want to break that threshold of consistency, you need to actually work on your trading psychology. And on this YouTube channel, I'll be doing more of psychological talks and also sharing my analysis. And one thing I want you to know is, no matter how confident you feel, the outcome of your trade will always be random. So you want to always risk appropriately. So don't go all in one position. Apply proper risk management. Risk management might not be the most interesting topic, but without it, nothing else you do matters. So make sure you have that in mind. And the best trading edge is knowing yourself. Know yourself. Know how you feel. Understand your feelings. Work on your psychology. Know who you really are. How you handle losses. How you handle wins. Know all that about yourself before you click the buy or sell button the next time. So that's what I will be bringing to you guys on this YouTube channel. So keep it locked. On January 1st, which is Sunday, you will get to see this video, and on the 2nd of January we start our trade series. So let's see how we can build wealth together. And one thing I advise strongly is risk appropriately. Risk appropriately. Risk appropriately. I want to really emphasize on this. Make sure you risk appropriately, because I wouldn't want a situation whereby you take my trades, you trade alongside with me, and you lose a whole ton of money, and I won't even take responsibility for that. You have to deal with that loss, and you have to, you know how it will affect you mentally. So you don't want to over leverage on a single trade. So risk appropriately while trading with me, and you also have to learn how to wait patiently for the right setup. If you want to trade, like my methodology, I trade supply and demand, and I only trade on the higher time frame because that gives me more clarity. Higher time frame gives me more clarity. Lower time frames to me are bunch of distraction. I know a lot of people. I have lots of trader friends who trade on even the 1 minute time frame, and they are killing it. But in this trading, you have to know yourself and stick to what works for you. You don't follow the crowd. Know what works for you. Find out what works for you. I've been in this game for the past 4 years now, and what I'm going to tell you is you just have to know what works for you. That's just it. Know what works for you and follow it. So do not follow the crowd. Learn how to master your emotions at all time. And one book I would really recommend to traders on trading psychology is Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. That really helped me. And there's this series on YouTube, a 4-part series on YouTube by Mark Douglas on trading psychology. You can also search for that video and also go through it. Just listen to it. That should be a daily routine for you. Listen to it, even if it's 1 hour in a day. Do that. Listen to it. Let it sink into your head before you go and do any markup. So I really don't want you to fail in trading this coming year. I want you to do the right thing and you get the right results. And do not focus on the money when trading. Do not focus on the money. So you just focus on getting better. Focus on the process. So when you focus on the process, once you're improving, the outcome, the end result is the money. The money will always follow when you're doing the right thing. But do not fully focus on the money. No, focus on the process. So that's it for this intro video. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things from this my talk, and I'll see you in the next video. So do well to also hit the subscribe button. Since this is a new channel, let's help grow the channel, since I'll be dishing out value. And this is totally free. I do not have any community. I do not offer mentorship. No, I do this free. This is actually free, and you have to attain a level of success for you to be able to get the results which are claimed in this video. Just like I said earlier, and this will require hard work, experience, and knowledge. So do the work on your own end, and I'll do mine as well. So let's see how we can kill the market together this coming year. Peace.